Are you planning to start your e-commerce business or to bring your offline business to online? Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you 7 website design tips for e-commerce web store. Now, if you plan to launch your own e-commerce web store, then you must watch this video. So remember to watch till the end, because at the end, I'm going to give you a special bonus. Now, to design a good e-commerce website, you need to remember these 7 key points. Number 1 is keep it simple. Now, I have a lot of clients who want to design the e-commerce, but they want this function, that function, and then you make the whole web store become so complicated. And remember, today, a lot of your customers are actually accessed through mobile, right? Using the phone. Yeah, so you have to keep it simple. Yeah, keep it simple, especially when the internet access is not good, it's going to be fast. If you have too complicated, then your whole website or web store will be slow. So first thing, keep it simple and easy to navigate so that people don't have to go and scroll here, click here in order to find the products that they want. So that's tips number 1. Now, tips number 2 is like what I just mentioned, because most of the users are using mobile phone today to look for products, to buy products. So it must be a responsive. Responsive means that it can auto-adjust to suit your customer's so-called device, right? If they use a tablet or iPad, then it will automatically change to iPad format. Or if you use a mobile, it will change to a mobile format. So this is what we call responsive. So it has to be auto-adjust. So you don't want your design to be too complicated. It has to be simple. Remember, people buy because they want the product and easy to find. So tips number 3 is, of course, high quality photos. You see, because people buy because what they see from your website or web store is your product photos. So if your product photos quality is bad, it's very blurred, people feel that your product quality will be bad as well. So you must use high quality photos so that people can actually look at it. And if possible, you must have this zoom function so that people can zoom in and see more details. So now, once you have this photo, number 4 tips is keep your product organized, especially when you have a lot of products. Now, of course, if you have less than 10 products and you can see in like 1 page, or you don't have a lot of scrolls, yeah, just meaning that product photos, so you scroll as 10 products, then that's fine. But if you have more than that, you need to set right categories, easy categories for people to search. Now, if you don't have any idea what kind of categories, go to your local platform, right? E-commerce platform like Malaysia, we have like Shopee, Lazada. So go to Shopee and Lazada, see what kind of categories they have. So you can model after them, because they already spend a lot of money and research to create all these categories that people are looking for. So what you can do is you can model their categories, and easy for your customers to find the right categories. Now, of course, if you have a lot of products, then you need to consider putting a filter function, meaning people can filter, maybe I want price range between this and this, right? Yeah, so that they filter, and also possible search function. So that is for if you have a lot of products. Make it easy for your client to find the products that they want. Then they can buy. If you're so difficult to find the products that they want, then of course, then they will give up and then they don't buy from you. Tips number 5 is use video, because video is very important today, especially if you have complicated products. Even today, we can see a lot of even like selling t-shirts, clothing, they are using video. So they have models to wear the clothing so that they can move front, back, turn left and right, so they can see the side view, back view, right, of the models wearing your clothes. And this is how you trigger the desire of your potential customers to buy. Now, of course, if you're selling things that you need to use, right, like gadgets and so on, if you have someone demo how to use your gadgets, your products, then people will be more convinced. So this is very important, and video is getting more and more important. So if possible, invest in video because it helps you to convert. Tips number 6 will be social proof. Reviews, testimonials, these are very important. So if you have good social proof, meaning that people are buying, especially when you're new, right? If you have people already buy, let them know people are already buying. So your customer doesn't want to be the first guinea pig, right? So they must know that people already buy your products and they love it. If you already have social proof, if you don't, go find some, right? So get testimonials, get reviews, and then put it on your website so that people feel more confidence and feel more secure to buy from you. And number 7 tips is easy and quick checkout process. Now, because when they already see your product, they like it, they already put in add to cart, and they're about to check out. If your process for checkout is so complicated, they need to put in so many information, and you know that right now people have this attention deficit, meaning that they can't focus for a long period of time. If you have to get them to do so many things in order to buy, they will just most probably go away. So make sure your checkout process is quick and easy. You only need the information when it's needed. So don't request for information that you actually do not really need it. That way, your conversion will be better. Now, these are some of the basic e-commerce website features that you plan to build your e-commerce business. So I hope it will help you, right? Now, I would love to hear from you. If you are planning to build a website, leave a comment right down below and let me know what kind of website that you plan to build so that I can create the videos to explain further what kind of tips, right? What kind of things you need to consider when building your website. Now, just like earlier I mentioned, I'm going to give a bonus session for you. For those who seriously want to build an e-commerce web store, look at the link right below in the description. I'm giving you a 30 minutes free consultation. So you let me know what kind of website that you're going to build. Then I can tell you or give you advice how to build that. Now, if you think that it's too difficult to build it on your own, you can also hire my team to build it for you. So if you're interested, do leave your comments right below. So if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, do subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell so that when we publish our content weekly, you will be notified. And meanwhile, here's some of the video that I've done that you can go through that will be able to help you grow your business online. I'll see you real soon in my next video.